There are many gardening questions that remain unanswered. Today we're going to answer the question on potting soil. Why should I use it? Why should I pay for it? And why is it so good for my plants? Number one, most importantly, is that potting soil is actually not soil. It's decomposted pine bark. Why is that important? Well, very importantly is that pine bark, once it's decomposted, it has the most amazing air pockets in between it. Plant roots need air in order to grow. Funny enough, if you had to compare ordinary garden soil, look how thick it is and really heavy compared to the soft, friable potting soil. Also, what's important is that potting soil is weed-free. It also has a combination of other decomposted material, which could be mushroom compost, a little bit of perlite in it, which means that your plants, when used in any container gardening, are going to get the best start that they possibly need. Potting soil with bark-based will only absorb as much moisture as the bark can hold, which allows for good drainage. Good drainage ensures great root development. Potting soil is available in various sizes, from a 15, a 30 to a 60 DM size bag. It can be stored in your garden shed. You don't have to use the entire bag all at once. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gardening tips.